Welcome to Chris Farms and Extension Services alias Chris Farm Nigeria. Today we are bringing you to site where we are doing our poultry farm setup on the 4 tiers. And should you are visiting our site for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification button to be notified each time we upload a new video. Anything that has to do with farm setup, specifically on poultry, fishery, snakery, and piggery, that is what we do. So if you want anything that has to do with it, are you talking about the building? Are you talking about the design? Are you talking about the modeling? Are you talking about the equipment? Are you talking about the machines? We have them all, and we can help you set up a full-blown poultry farm setup, fishery farm setup, snakery farm setup, or piggery farm setup. Irrespective of where you are in Nigeria, we cover the whole country, Nigeria, with our services, and several other African countries. And our African countries we cover are like Senegal, Mali, Gambia, Sierra Leone, Cameroon, or Togo, any of this area, or this Cotonou, wherever around these African nations. If you're there and you want to do anything that has to do with poultry, fishery, snakery, and piggery, you can reach out to us. We can help you build a farm from the A to Z. We can help you bring in the machines. We can help you install for you. We also set several kinds of machines and also install several kinds of machines. So if you have bought any of this machine, irrespective of the country you bought them, and you're looking for someone to help you install it, why not reach out to us today? Our numbers remain 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, please put our country code +2 34 80 36 92 57 18. For those of us that are not too fast in picking up numbers, let me go a little bit slow so that you can be on the same page with me. Just type on your phone +2 3 4. That is our central code number. That is +2 3 4, then 80 36 92 57 18. So thank God you're already there. Anytime you chat us up, irrespective of the time, we are 24 hours on WhatsApp. A respondent to respond to you. Just tell us what you want. A respondent will respond to you instantly. So today we are bringing you to the platform where we are building or setting up a 8,700 capacity poultry farm. Because of the little bit arrangement of the place, it took us time to be able to peg it, because the land size was proposed for 5,000. We have to make some adjustment in order to hit 8,007 for the poultry farm setup. Because of the size of the land, we are doing on a four row. So this video is specifically done for our clients to see the stage of the phase of the work where we are. This job specifically today is 1 week we kick-started this job. And we've been able to get to the pillar level, and even we started even casting the pillar to an extent. So this video specifically is done for my clients. We don't call clients' name or location where these things are done because of our security of our clients. They are very paramount to us. We give them maximum security. So our aim is to tell you what we are doing and also advertise what we can render to you. Should you are going into any of these things and you're looking for a specialist or a consultant or who to help you do the A to Z, you can reach out to us. That is the aim of the video. The aim is not the customer or the location. So today, what am I going to be talking about? I'll be talking about the building we are setting up on the 4 tiers of 4 rows. Oftentimes we do 2 rows, we do 3 rows, but this is 4 rows. On we're doing it on 4 tiers capacity. That is to say, before you start building, as I've said, if you have been following my YouTube channel, I will tell you, before you start building any form of poultry farm setups, specifically on battery cage system, you must know the type of cage you're using. We sell cages, both foreign and local cages, and you already know they are in 94, 96 capacity, 128 capacity, 120 capacity, and 160 capacity, which could be on a cold deep, on the hot deep galvanized cage. So depending on what you want, if you chat me up on our WhatsApp, I'll send you different types of cages. You will make a choice of what you want. So whatever you choose, that will determine the structure we are going to do for you, because the cage that you're buying determines the building design. For this one specifically was taken for 4 tiers on 128 capacity, and with that dimension we are able to design this for for the client. So for you to start up a poultry farm, or you want to do on a battery cage system, the first prerequisite is to get the dimension of your cage. So we've gotten the dimension of our cage, and we are going for 128 capacity on the 4 tiers using locally fabricated. Let me talk about a little about our locally fabricated cages. We use imported materials to do them, and it look as though it's an imported cage when we finish doing it. You don't even need a soothsayer to say that this is not imported, but this is made in Nigeria, and they are beautiful. If you look through our YouTube channel, you are going to see several of our cages we have done, and you'll be highly impressed. So that same dimension that we are using for this cage, the dimension of the cage specifically is 2.4 meters by 2.4 meters, but because of the pit system, we did 2.2 to enable the leg to have a balance on the base. So that is what we have here. So let us go through so that you see what I'm talking about. You can see the jobs I started doing. These are for the these are for our this thing. You can come along, you just come along. It's movable. I'm using mic so the person can hear me irrespective of where I am. So this is these are the pillars. We did 5 by 5 pillars, and you can see the base and the lifting from the foundation to the top, which is from the foundation, or from the foundation to the up. We are using 18 feet to enable us to get the actual size of the thing. You can see this one now. We've used the 9 inches first to 4. We use 9 feet self to put inside this. That is what you are seeing here. Some part have gone into the foundation base, and you can see we are just doing boarding for the pillars. So I'm still doing it for my clients so that you see the level of job we've done. This work, we have already done it for just a week now. You can see the block work is on the 4. It's not even up to a week precisely. We've done the foundation, we've done the block work. What you are seeing here are the pits, and we started putting the pillars. So for people that will be imagining what is the length and the breadth, I'm going to give you only the length. I'm not giving you the breadth, because if you want more information, you ring me, I'll tell you the dimension by the time you've paid when we've designed one for you. So this dimension, specifically the length is 40 meters. The breadth, we tell you the breadth when you reach out to us. Then we are using 4 tiers capacity cages. The first one there is on the 4 row precisely. We can come inside if you want to. Just come, let's see how it looks like. Hey! Wow! Yeah. Okay, you follow like the way I just fell. So let's just go this way. I know you already see me. From that place now, you can see how the work is going. The first one is walkway pit until we get to this dimension. So this one you're seeing here, this is a walkway, while this is a pit, 2 meters apart. So this is just the job that is already done. This is work in progress. So if you want to do something like this, irrespective of where you are, so that I'll be on the same page before I fall again. So this is how it is. This, you've already seen our work. So if you want anything that looks like this, irrespective of where you are, we can help you do the same thing or duplicate it in your location. We cover the whole country, Nigeria. If you want us to render your service anywhere, we can reach out to you. So if you want our cages, we have cages. We have manure scraper, we have manure dryers. If you want the best day-old chick, irrespective of where you are, we can also deliver to you. If you want points of lay, we can also deliver to you. All around Nigeria, that is all we render service for beds. So anything that has to do with build or poultry farm setup, please reach out to us. Our numbers remain 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, please put our country code +2 3 4 80 36 92 57 18. Always know that customer satisfaction is our optimum desire. Reach out to us today. I promise you, you're glad you did. Thank you, and do have a blessed day.